there. So how'd you like to learn a little neuroscience in less than 2 minutes? Ready? The brain is a total energy hog. And despite the fact that it only comprises about 2 to 3% of the body's weight, it uses more than 20% of the body's total energy supply in the form of oxygen and glucose. And because the brain demands such high amounts of energy, the food we consume greatly affects brain function, everything from learning to memory to emotions. While the brain is pretty demanding, it's also extremely efficient. It only takes the brain 1/10,000th of a second to respond to something and then generate an action. Cool, huh? All right, so I admit it, I'm a total geek, and when I learn a new brain-based research or study or factoid that explains our quirky behavior, I have this irresistible urge to share it. And here's the good news. You don't have to be a neuroscientist or even a research geek like me to put all of that brain-based research to work. Check out my new book, Happy Hour with Einstein, and the full-color companion gratitude journal. It's available now on Amazon. And you can subscribe to receive my weekly Neuro Nuggets. And I promise not to flood your inbox with all kinds of salesy stuff and junk, because that's just wrong. But I'll just share some quick videos like this one to help you understand how the brain works and how to make it work better for you. And just think how much you'll impress your friends and family when you start to get geeky with them. You genius, you. So what are you waiting for? The link to the book and to subscribe to the Nugget are in the comments below. Thank you for sharing a few minutes of your day with me. I hope you make today amazing.